20 on the head.
No, you've only got a $10 bet.
Only 10?
No, you've only got a $10 bet. But you want we've got another $10 tail bet here. Anybody want to take it? We've got a $10 tail bet. Yeah. Anybody want it? Here we go.
I'll only spend the 20. I'll make it head.
No, you're back in tail. The spinner is on heads.
I'll make it tail. I'll make it tail.
So Scott, you're in with Dave on the heads. Dave, your tails. Tommy, you're backing a tail against the spinner. Any other side bets? Last call. 3, 2, 1. Come in, spinner. Second spin. Second spin. Get him up. Nah, floaters. Got to get them spinning, son. Got to get them spinning. Let's go. That'll do. That's a good one. And 2 heads it is. We got an $80 setup. Not checking.